So friends, a big breaking news from my side. Let me introduce AD Nikhil Kumar Reddy. So इनकी अचीवमेंट को बताने में शायद मुझे पूरा दिन लग जाएगा। शायद ये दिन बहुत कम पड़ेगा। मैंने आज तक अपने लाइफ में, ये रिकॉर्ड में मैं बात कह रहा हूं, आज तक मैंने अपने लाइफ में ऐसा स्टूडेंट नहीं देखा, ऐसी अचीवमेंट नहीं देखी जो इन्होंने करके दिखाया है। ट्रस्ट में ये वीडियो आपकी जिंदगी का सबसे अहम वीडियो रहेगा। अगर आप एक सीए के स्टूडेंट हैं, सीएमए के स्टूडेंट हैं, या आप कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट हैं, ये वीडियो आपकी जिंदगी का सबसे अहम वीडियो रहेगा। जो आप मोटिवेशन इधर उधर ढूंढते हैं, सही मायने में अगर आपने इस इंटरव्यू के एक एक वर्ड्स को समझ लिया, निखिल कुमार रेड्डी के जर्नी को समझ लिया, इनकी सक्सेस स्टोरी को समझ लिया, यू विल फाइंड योर रोल मॉडल। तो निखिल, सबसे पहले मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करता हूं सीएमए। सीएमए में इन्होंने ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 सिक्योर किया है। नंबर सेकंड, एसएफएम में जो सीएमए का सब्जेक्ट है उसमें इन्होंने 98 मार्क्स सिक्योर किया है। 98%। कौन कहता है कि मुश्किल है मंजिल को पाना? अगर निखिल कुमार रेड्डी को देख लिया जाए तो ऐसा लगता है कि इन्होंने अपनी मेहनत से अपनी मंजिल को पा लिया बहुत आसानी से। कोई भी चीज आसान नहीं होता, लेकिन अगर मेहनत सही की जाए तो चीजों को आसान बनाया जा सकता है। आइए इनके मार्क्स को समझते हैं एक एक कर। मैं इनके मार्क्स को लिखता हूं। सबसे पहले ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 इन सीएमए। ठीक है, सबसे पहले आप एक एक करके मार्क्स बताइए। पहला सब्जेक्ट आप बताएंगे। निखिल जी, मैं मार्क्स लिखना चाहूंगा, पहला बताएं।
Yes, sir. In corporate law, it's 80 marks.
कॉर्पोरेट लॉ में इनका है 80 मार्क्स। उसके बाद
SFM 98 marks.
एसएफएम आपका हुआ 98 मार्क्स।
And then one second, let me just
आपने ऐसा
correctly.
मार्कशीट जिंदगी में कभी नहीं देखा होगा। ऐसा मार्कशीट आपने जिंदगी में कभी नहीं देखा होगा, मैं आपको गारंटी दे सकता हूं। नंबर थर्ड,
And I got 89 marks in the strategic cost management decision making.
कॉस्ट कितना? 89
Yeah, 9
मार्क्स।
marks. And then in direct tax, it is 85 marks.
आईडीटी,
No, direct tax. Yeah.
डायरेक्ट टैक्स,
Yeah.
85 मार्क्स।
Yes.
देन
And in corporate financial reporting, 100 marks.
अकाउंट्स में 100 मार्क्स।
Yes. IDT 87 marks.
आईडीटी 87 मार्क्स।
Cost and management audit 96 marks.
ऑडिट में 96 मार्क्स। 96 मार्क्स।
And business valuation 97 marks.
बिजनेस वैल्यूएशन में कितना?
97
97 मार्क्स। क्या आपने इतना अच्छा मार्कशीट कभी देखा है? आप बताएं। इतना अच्छा मार्कशीट मुझे नहीं लगता लाइफ में मैंने कभी देखा है। अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज कमेंट में बताएं कि नहीं सर, आप बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं, इससे बेहतरीन मार्कशीट हमने आज तक लाइफ में कभी नहीं देखा है, ना मुझे लगता है देखने में आएगा इतना बेहतरीन मार्कशीट। चलिए और आगे बढ़ते हैं इनके बारे में। सीएमए इंटर में आपका रैंक था
11th.
ऑल इंडिया, क्या रैंक था?
11th.
11th रैंक। चलिए सीएमए फाउंडेशन,
3rd rank.
सीएमए फाउंडेशन 3rd रैंक। देखते जाइए, अचीवमेंट देखते जाइए। कोई मोटिवेशन वीडियो आज के बाद आपको नहीं देखना है इस वीडियो के अलावा। अच्छा, अभी जर्नी खत्म नहीं हुई। चलिए आइए अब सीए की जर्नी, पहले सीएमए की जर्नी को देख लीजिए, एक बार आप डाइजेस्ट कर लीजिए सारे मार्क्स को, उसके बाद हम इनके सीए की जर्नी में जाएंगे। लॉ 80, एसएफएम 98, 89, 85, 100, 87, 96, 97। ग्रेट।
Thank you,
एंड
sir.
97 मार्क्स में हमारा मर्जर का सब्जेक्ट भी बहुत आता है, मर्जर एंड एक्विजिशन का काम आया होगा आपको, जो एसएफएम में भी हम लोग पढ़ाते हैं सीए में। इन बिजनेस वैल्यूएशन मर्जर चैप्टर इज क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंट।
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Fine. So now we are moving towards his CA journey. CA final. CA final. Clear हो गया। All India rank. Go ahead.
41st, sir. 41.
41 रैंक सीए फाइनल में, 41st रैंक, वो भी एक अटेम्प्ट में। मतलब ये नहीं कोई सोचता है यार दोनों कैसे दे पाएंगे, हाउ आई विल मैनेज द टाइम, सीए फाइनल ऑल्सो, सीए में फाइनल ऑल्सो। कुछ बच्चे तो कोरोना के कारण एग्जाम ही स्किप करने में ध्यान दे रहे थे, उनका सारा कंसंट्रेशन, उनका सारा फोकस, उनका सारा मेहनत ये इसमें जा रहा था कि एग्जाम दे या ना दे, और इनका फोकस जा रहा था कि हम किस तरह से रैंक लेकर आ जाएं सीए में भी और सीए में भी। कमाल कर दिया, कमाल कर दिया। सीए इंटर का बताइए।
27th rank, sir.
AIR 27th रैंक। सीए फाउंडेशन।
At the time, ranks were not given, sir. Like top 3 were given, so I secured
Rank ही नहीं
187
दिया
out of
गया था।
200. Yeah, 187 out of 200.
Out of
187.
200, 187 you scored.
Yeah.
I think it is also a mark sheet of rank, but still आप टॉप 3 के बाद रैंक नहीं दिया गया था, देन इट्स
Yeah.
ओके। मतलब आपका सीए में भी सभी में रैंक है ऑलमोस्ट।
Yes, sir.
क्या ऐसा मैंने कमाल का स्टूडेंट आज तक अपनी जिंदगी में कभी नहीं देखा। आई हैव नेवर सीन a student like you and your achievement speaks। इनका जॉब प्लेसमेंट भी हो रखा है और बहुत अच्छी कंपनी में इनका जॉब भी होगा, मेरा ही मानना है, और जिंदगी में ही विल राइज राइज एंड ओनली राइज।
Thank you so much, sir.
Let me digest, and all the students let digest your marks first. And he is 22 years of age. Age is 22 years. Oh my God. Let me digest also. 22 years of age. कमाल कर दिया, कमाल। Great. Really a great achievement. Greatest of achievement I've ever seen.
Thank you, sir.
I think people will remember your achievement long, long, long way to go. I've never seen such a mark sheet, such an achievement. It's really great achievement. Now let's come to his family background. He belongs to a farmer family. His father is a farmer, and still he managed to cover his CA and CMA in such a success way. It is really a tremendous achievement. So he is self-motivated, and hats off to your parents. Give, I hope to get their blessings. उनको बहुत बहुत प्रणाम मेरी तरफ से, because
Thank you,
without
sir.
their effort, without their hard work, आप
Yes.
आज यहां तक नहीं पहुंच पाते।
Correct, sir. Definitely.
Again, which place you stay? It's very small place in Andhra Pradesh.
Kaderi, sir.
Kaderi.
Yeah.
Kaderi, Andhra Pradesh.
Yes.
So we always long for big cities, big malls, big roads, big achievements, and small place students are getting such a good rank. It means that बड़े शहर और छोटे शहर से कोई लेना देना नहीं होता है। सही मेहनत अगर करे जाए तो छोटा शहर भी बड़ा बन सकता है, और बड़ा शहर भी फिर छोटा ही लगता है।
Yes.
Great, great, great. So now coming to SFM.
Yes.
And now first of all coming to stock market. So you have Demat account also?
Yes, sir.
You also trade? You know
Yes,
how to
yes,
buy
sir.
and sell?
Yes,
You know
sir.
every practical aspect?
Almost everything. Like I learned from you itself. Your stock market videos are very encouraging, sir. For new
I
beginners
used to
like
teach
me.
all the students practical part of stock market, because
Yes.
SFM stock market is a backbone of SFM subject.
Yes.
Without
Yes.
stock market, SFM subject can't be handled practically.
Correct, sir. Yes, yes.
Great. So 98% marks. So I can always ask you, where is the 2 marks? How the 2 marks were deducted?
So it's like for one of the case study based question, I just got confused a little bit. So I realized later on. So initially I kept choose the correct option.
Oh, you MCQ part you did mistake 2 number.
Yes, like
Oh,
initially I chose the correct answer, but later on again when I revisited it, I felt something else. So did a mistake.
I'm repenting so much. You could be our next 100 out of 100 in SFF.
Yes,
You could be our next 100 out of 100. 2 marks
yes, sir.
MCQ you did mistake.
Yes, sir.
And you know where was the mistake. You know this.
Yes, yes.
The greatest tragedy for me also. Because I always wanted my student to score 100 out of 100, and you could be the next. Many students, my previous students, had scored 100 out of 100 in
Yes,
many
yes.
various exams. You could
Yes,
be
yes, sir.
next.
Yeah.
No words. I have no words. 2 marks you did mistake in MCQ, and you know that yes, I did a mistake in there. What is the gap between your rank 1 and rank 2? What is the gap? You know?
Yes, sir. Mine is to 732 marks.
Total
And
marks.
second,
What total marks you have?
732, sir.
732.
Yeah.
And
And
second rank
air
second
second, it is 712, I guess. 712.
712.
Yeah.
So not that gap.
Yeah. And for 8-3, it is 684 or 682, roughly.
No. I don't. I wanted first and second gap only.
Okay, okay.
Not that much. I thought that it would
Yeah.
have been huge gap.
No, no.
Mhm. Nice.
Yeah.
Great. So you want to add something?
It's like everyone should have a motivating factor for them. And for me, it was my parents' hard work because I'm from a poor family background. So my parents are farmers, but I never felt that I am from a poor family or something like that because they never made me realize that I have some difficulties. Whenever I ask the money issues and all, immediately they will be sending me without me knowing that from where they are sending me because they will be working hard like anything in the sunlight. And even in our area there is issue of water. So since the past 3 years there were no water also in the borewells, so it was even difficult for them to make me study and all.
In
So
your
but
place, I just repeat your words. In your place, there will be no water from the past 3 years.
particularly in our borewell because there
Yeah.
were no so like in our area particularly they will name as Rayalaseema. So there is always scarcity of water. So during these past 3 years, it was heavy. So in our borewell, there is no water itself. So in recent after these heavy rains, we are getting a little bit now as of now. So during that time, so it was my IPCC time. So at that time, they need to spend more, and at the time they struggled a bit hard than usual. And but they never shared their struggles with me because I had to focus on my studies. So I always remember their hard work. So I just always give my suggestion to students as well. Remember the hard work of your parents. They may not tell you what they're doing, but they're really working hard for you and have a right guide for you. So for SFM, I had sir, and it is very good for me. And believe in your hard work. Never compare with others as well because your life is different and other person life is different. So believe in yourself and work hard. Then result is
Never
yours.
compare yourself with others.
Yes, yes, yes,
Every person had its own hard work.
yes.
Your parents never made you realize that whenever you demand some money for classes and all, your parents arranged it in whatsoever manner,
Yes.
but then never made you realize that they don't have money or whatsoever.
Yes.
That's great. That's hats off to your parents.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Really great parents. So in SFM you find my notes very simple, very easy to understand.
Yes, sir. The notes are very simple and it's like a common man can read and he can understand very well.
To the
So the
point.
subject, yes, straight to the point, and the subject is like cakewalk for you in when you see the question paper in the exams and all. So it is so they you will be conceptually very clear in going through the sir notes and all. So the formulas also are explained very in detail manner. So it is not like just a formula. It's a expression of why it came. So
Yeah.
those things
We used to
it's
derive
like
each and every formula.
yes,
We used
yes,
to give logic of
yes,
even everything.
yes,
So you
everything.
find it
Yes,
very
yes,
simple. Notes are very simple and
yes,
easy to
yes,
revise.
yes, yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. So whenever
Yes,
you will come to Delhi or Calcutta, please
yes, sir.
do meet me. That's a promise from your side.
Yeah, definitely, sir. It's my pleasure to meet you.
We are really wanted to facilitate you. We want to give some scholarship to you. Really, we'll do something for you because
Yes,
your hard work must pay, and you have done such a good achievement. And we are really
yes.
will. If you want to do some higher education also,
As of now, I just wanted to support my family, sir. No,
yeah, yeah,
still not they
definitely. No, no,
supported
your
me.
family is first. Family is
Yeah,
first. We'll definitely give you
yes.
some prize and all. And you have
Yeah.
such a good achievement. Good achievement. We are really very happy for you. Really very happy.
Thank you, sir.
Uh,
Thank you, sir.
I have no words. Like you are complete in yourself. So I have nothing to add. Many students are realizing that your success stories were great. मतलब ऐसी सक्सेस स्टोरी मिलना बड़ा मुश्किल है. और लोग हमेशा कहते हैं, मैंने बहुत बार मतलब कुछ लोगों को सुना है कि यार मेरे से ये नहीं होगा, मेरे से वो नहीं होगा, आई कांट डू दिस, आई कांट डू दैट, always used to complain here and there. They are always frustrated. I don't know why. See Nikhil, na? See Nikhil, he is also a student. He also faced so many difficulties. Nikhil, trust me. Have you also faced difficulty, na?
Yeah, sir. Definitely.
You or
Yes,
your
yes.
path was like rose petals, मतलब
No, no.
गुलाबों से भरा हुआ रास्ता मिला कि कांटों भरा हुआ रास्ता था. It was like
I was like
thorns or rose.
thrones only, sir. Each student has their difficulties. Even
नहीं
it
नहीं,
is not like
everybody,
I was.
you are so
Yes,
successful
yes.
ना, तो everybody will
No,
make
no.
निखिल फूलों भरा रास्ता था, बहुत इजीली आपने सब
No,
चीज कर लिया. It's so easy for you. No struggle, no difficulty. It is very easy for you. तो
no.
we need to make them realize that सबका रास्ता अपना डिफिकल्टी होता है, हर एक लाइफ में
Yes,
डिफिकल्टी
yes.
होता है.
Yes, sir. It's like even I struggled for day and nights, etc. Even during my CA inter time, I used to sleep at morning 3:30, and I used to wake up at 8 o'clock. So it was like I gave my complete everything to studies only itself. I dedicated everything, so I kept everything apart. So firstly, I need to focus on studies,
You
studies, studies.
sacrificed everything.
Yes, correct.
Mobile phone, WhatsApp, Google.
WhatsApp, like for essential purposes, I will be using. It's not that I am avoiding anything. Like if I try to avoid, then I will be diverting more. So I don't try to avoid anything. It's like I will use only to limited extent. So whenever it is useful.
So you have your struggle, na?
Yes, sir, definitely.
So when we realize that many students are used to complain, so then we need to give your example ना, कि निखिल के पास भी बहुत सारी problems थी, फिर भी उन्होंने इतना सब
Yes,
कुछ face किया, and you overcome all the problems.
yes, sir. So it's like what we call during my CA inter times. It was like basically I don't say health issue something like that. Till afternoon 12 o'clock, I can't concentrate anything.
After night,
From morning 9 to till afternoon 12 or 1 o'clock, I won't be able to concentrate anything. I will be getting somewhat what is that, dizzy, sleepy, something like that. I can't control anything. So at the time, everyone will be studying, and I just want to concentrate everything. But it was like I am not able to concentrate on anything during those times. Entire my CA inter happened like that. So particularly during this exam preparation time. But I motivated myself that after that 12 or 1 o'clock, I used to be very comfortable. Like all my drowsiness, all my that headache and all will be gone. So that's why I used to study till morning 3:30, because anyway I know that if I wake up at morning 6 o'clock, I am not able to study. So it is like I sacrificed my daytime and I took my night time like that.
so
And
let me repeat your words, like you had
yes,
some bad phase in your life. In
yes,
CA inter you had some bad phase in your life, and at some point of
yes,
time you were not able to concentrate in your studies, and you
yes,
used to feel sleepy and uh, not concentrating in things, and you just like not focusing on the things, you are not feeling well.
Yes,
something
yes.
like that.
Yes, yes.
So you change your entire timing, study timing.
Yes.
At that point
Yes.
of time, you avoided your studies, and the point which gave you confidence and which gave you more
Yes.
concentration, you focused on that time,
That
that
time.
point of
Yes,
time.
yes.
So
Yes.
you had that bad phase of your life, no?
Bad phase of life. Yes, yes.
So everybody, that what I wanted to say. Everybody in
Yes.
their life are facing some sort of problems.
Yes,
But if we
yes.
keep on complaining, then there will be no solution.
There's no issue. Correct, sir.
That is the main thing. So, what any new achievement in future you want to join any other courses and all?
As of now, like as an addition, I'm pursuing IGNOU University BCom, sir.
Okay,
Just as an addition qualification because many PSUs are preferring BCom as mandatory degree.
okay,
So I'm
okay.
just doing that.
The CA is also, I think, will become a postgraduate. I think there was some news.
Yes, yes. There
Yeah.
was some news, but
Chalo. So we'll have a live webinar after that.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
and I think that was a great interview with you. Thank you, Nikhil. And I will
Thank
always
you, sir.
remember you in entire life because the achievement which you have shown to all of us is tremendous achievement, and I've never seen such an achievement. Your marks are so good. I can't even realize like you scored 85% above in every subject. Overall, what is the percentage in CMA?
91.5, sir.
91. In professional degree, 91%. I used to crack jokes in class that 90% is impossible in CA, like in overall aggregate. But
Yes, yes.
91%, my God. Today I will have no sleep. I think many students who are listening to this interview will have no sleep. 91%. You have set a benchmark. It's all India, all it's a world record, is India record. It's something like that.
I'm not sure, sir.
I am also not sure. Yeah, 91%. Commendable, commendable. Matlab, no words.
Thank you,
It's,
sir.
I think it's all time record. I think it must be 91%. Can you imagine in final professional degree? Great, great. Chalo, Nikhil, thank you so much. And friends,
Yes, sir.
if you want to ask any suggestion from Nikhil, Nikhil is always there in social media. He's always supporting. He's very supporting. He's always ready to help. Nikhil, will you help everybody with your
Yeah, yeah,
guidance?
sure, sir.
Yeah, Nikhil will
Definitely, sir.
always help you, and we are there to manage everything. We'll always your doubt I will give to Nikhil, and Nikhil will answer that doubt.
Yes, yes.
So please ask your doubt, ask your query, make Nikhil your role model, make Nikhil your guidance partner, and Nikhil will guide you in the best possible manner.
Yeah, sir. Sure, sure.
91%, I think nobody can guide you better than Nikhil in CMA and as well as in CA. So Nikhil, now
Yeah,
you have to play a role of guide also, a coach also.
yeah, sure, sure, sir.
Sure, you need to play it. चलो,
Yes,
थैंक यू
sir.
सो मच फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू वेरी वेरी मच. प्लीज अपनी बातों को, अपनी जो भी क्वेरीज है उसे आप लिखिएगा. और ये अचीवमेंट मेरे टीचिंग करियर का एक और अच्छा अचीवमेंट रहा, सुनहरा एक मौका मिला निखिल जैसे स्टूडेंट्स को गाइड करने के लिए. और आई होप आप लोग भी इससे मोटिवेटेड होंगे और आप लोग भी बहुत अच्छा करके दिखाएंगे. मैं तो ये कहूंगा कि निखिल से भी अच्छा आप करके दिखाइए, बट
Yeah,
इतिहास
sir.
रचिए, क्योंकि निखिल ने ऐसा बेंचमार्क बना दिया है कि आई डोंट नो वो बेंचमार्क कैसे टूटेगा, बट प्लीज कोशिश करिए उस बेंचमार्क को तोड़ने की. सब में हिम्मत होती है, सब में ताकत होती है. वो कहते हैं ना, जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है, जिंदगी के कई इम्तहान अभी बाकी है, अभी तो नापिए मुट्ठी भर जमीन, सारा आसमान अभी बाकी है. ठीक है. थैंक यू निखिल, थैंक यू वेरी वेरी मच.
Thank you,
थैंक यू
sir.
वेरी